Hi, welcome back to yet another video. In case you're new here, my name is Nehat, and currently I'm doing a series which is on workwear. So, in order to continue with this series, I have yet another video for today. And for today's look, I have this top. So, it's white in color and it's got V neck and it's got very, thin lace around the neck area. And those are the sleeves. It's got full sleeves, flared, and it's got this pattern over the sleeves. So I think it looks pretty cool. It's because of the sleeves that I was kind of attracted to this particular top, and yeah, and I think it will look pretty great for work or even for everyday outing, here and there. So that's the top, and it's slightly loose fit, so it's comfortable. You can wear it throughout the day for work, or if you're going out for shopping and things like that. So that's the top, and because it's white, I thought of pairing it with these light uh, blue denim. So those are the denims. It's light blue in color and it's almost straight fit, like loose straight fit. That's the fit that this is. And yeah, I think it will look great with the white top, and it's got like this pattern at the bottom. So I think the black and the light blue color combination I've always loved, so which is why I'm pairing this jeans with that particular top. And yeah, and I have some cool accessories to go with this, so I'll quickly put this on and then we'll accessorize the look. So here I come. So here I am. I've worn this top and that's how it looks. Those are the sleeves. And for the pants, let me climb up. So yeah, those are the pants and that's how it looks. So now that I have the outfit on, let's quickly accessorize it. So for the accessories to go first, I have this watch. Of course, because it's white, it's gonna match the top. So this is the first thing. Up next, I have these earrings. This is like sun shaped, and I just feel that because it's white and bright, so I just feel that these earrings would look great. So let me put this on. That's how it looks. Looks cool. That's the other one as well. So that's how the earrings look. Yeah, it's looking good. Now up next, for the necklace, I have this one. Okay, I think I'm holding it reverse. So that's the necklace that I have. It's got this white thing, and I think it will match this pretty well. So that's the necklace on, white colored, and yeah, I think it's looking pretty good. It's got a couple of these dangly things around it. So that's the necklace. Then I'm pairing it with this ring. It's too loose for this. Okay. So yeah, that's the ring. And finally, I have this. I just feel that because the top is plain and it also has this full sleeves, I think this will look really good to complete the look. So that's how it looks. That's the ring. And this is the watch, the necklace, and the earring. So with that, I think the accessorizing is pretty much done. I'll just tie my hair up, and with that, I think the look is going to be complete. So I've done my hair, I've just done center parting, and I've done half up, half down style. And I think this looks pretty well with this particular look. So that's the full look. So yeah, with that, the look is complete. And please subscribe to my channel in case if you like this video. Turn the notifications on. Comment down below how did you like this, and I shall see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.